worry about spoiling your quilt with free motion quilting? Let award-winning quilter Paula Doyle help you with this 3-part series of workshops dedicated to free motion quilting. In these videos, Paula will guide you through putting together your quilting sandwich and setting up the machine, how to make filler stitches such as mock cathedral windows and then how to create this with continuous design, how to use a pre-marked grid, and creating feathers, borders and spirals. This is what one viewer had to say about this series. What an excellent video on freehand machine stitching, the best that I have ever seen for clear explanations. Overcome your fears of free motion quilting by watching these excellent tutorials by Paula. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access.